anja ya sisi kuwa hapa ni kuleta maendeleo na kuhakikisha kila mwananchi yako salama wakati anatumia nini? Bahari. Ukiingia bahari, usalama wako uwe nini? Guaranteed. Na ndio tumekuja na hii mradi. Sababu ya kuleta maendeleo ni wananchi wafaidike. Vile ninasema hapa ni ya kuwa ule mwenye atajenga hapa aandike wananchi wa wapi? Hapa ndio wananchi wafaidike na nini? Na hiyo ndio maendeleo, si ndio? Ndio mwananchi asikie kuna shilingi imeingia kwa mfuko yake kupitia hii mradi. The center will have communication equipment linked to Kisumu, linked to the International Rescue Center in Mombasa. At any time kutakuwa na effective communication to ensure effective, efficient and very fast response to any incident. Lakini la muhimu si kungojea incidents, ni kuzuia nini? Incidents. Si tungojea tuzame, ni kuzuia tufanye nini? Tuzame. Hii inamaanisha nini? Tutafundishana na tutawafundisha jinsi ya kuzuia kufanya nini? Kukutana na mikasa. As Kenya Maritime Authority, we shall work very, very closely with your county to achieve development and the safety of the people of Migori County while using the lake. This is a trans-border infrastructure initiative designed around the 4th ESCE Development Strategy 2011-2016 and sought to address the maritime transportation and navigation safety intervention within the Lake Victoria through provision of safe, efficient, cheap and environmentally friendly transport and communication links within the 3 East African partners mentioned earlier. The project's primary aim is to address loss of lives of the lake users through construction of maritime rescue coordination centers and research and rescue centers in various regions across the lake. Today we are here for one such project, the Rescue and Coordination Center for Migori County, which aims at coordinating communication within Lake LVB to enhance the safety and security and livelihood of our fishermen and women. The project is one of its kind in Migori County, and it will go a long way in ensuring quick response in distress and improvement in quality of fish, more specifically omena, after harvesting. This is timely and beneficial to our fishing community. In recent years, we have seen a continued surge in water levels of Lake Victoria, and this puts the riparian community at risk due to natural calamities like flooding and attacks from wild animals that may be looking for drier grounds. We get information on cases of drowning and loss of human lives in Lake Victoria. I want to applaud the multinational Lake Victoria Maritime Communication and Transport Project for the intended construction of this fish drying racks for omena, which will ensure quality is maintained and the fish will now fetch better prices to our traders.